Before shipping from France to the United States in January 1885, workers took the Lady Liberty apart. They unfastened piece by piece. They were put into 214 crates, which each weighed 3 tons. They then shipped her from France all the way to America, and the crates were labeled so they could put the statue back together. If it happened. People were starting to doubt the pedestal ever being finished, and if they didn't finish the pedestal, the Statue of Liberty wouldn't have anything to stand on. To bring costs down, the pedestal for the Statue of Liberty was redesigned to be 89 feet tall and made with concrete and covered in a layer of granite. The original all-granite design was far too expensive. The amount of copper for the statue could make 30 million pennies. That's $30,000. Wow. Did you know that the Statue of Liberty's sandals are 25 feet long? That's 879 regular-sized shoes. The Statue of Liberty's nose is 4.5 feet long. Talk about a big nose. The statue was originally a different color, but since the statue was made out of copper, over the years oxidization caused it to become a different shade of green. Interesting. Bartoli made the design of the statue based off of his mother, Charlotte Bartoli. The U.S. Congress in 1877 accepted the gift from France.